Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove inactive subscribers from your mailing list on Mailchimp. This is a crucial step for maintaining a healthy email list and improving your overall engagement rates. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, press Enter to access the site. You'll notice a login button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and sign in using your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account quickly. After signing in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look to the left navigation panel and click on Audience. This section is where you manage all your contacts and subscribers. Once you click it, you'll see an expanded menu with several options. From this menu, select Segments. Segments allow you to organize and filter your contacts based on specific criteria, which is exactly what we need to identify inactive subscribers. On the Segments page, you'll see a list of all the segments you've created in your Mailchimp account. To create a new one specifically for inactive subscribers, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create Segment. This will take you to the segment creation page where you can customize your filters. Now, here's where we set up the criteria to identify inactive subscribers. You'll need to select a filter from the drop-down menu. For this purpose, choose Campaign Interaction as your first filter. This tracks how your contacts engage with your emails. Next, on the conditional drop-down, select Has Not Opened. This is key because we're determining who hasn't been engaging with your campaigns. Now, from the campaign drop-down, choose any campaign you want to reference, and for the time frame, set it to any time. This will capture all subscribers who haven't opened your emails regardless of how long they've been inactive. Once you've configured your filters, click on Use Segment at the top right corner. A field will appear prompting you to input a name for this segment. Choose something you can easily recognize, like inactive users, then click Save and Exit. This segment is now stored in your account and ready to use whenever you need it. Now head back to your campaigns. From the left navigation, click on Campaigns. Here, you'll see all your email campaigns. Select the campaign you wish to send to your inactive subscribers. This could be a re-engagement email or a final reminder before removing them from your list. On the campaign or email configuration page, click on the top field. This is where you choose who receives your email. Use the segment we just created to filter out all the inactive subscribers and select them to receive this email. By targeting this specific group, you can either attempt to re-engage them or prepare to clean your list by removing those who remain unresponsive. And that's it. You've successfully identified and targeted your inactive subscribers on Mailchimp, helping you maintain a cleaner, more engaged mailing list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.